Hey guys, Andrew with CJC Off-Road, and want to show you this 2007 Ram 2500 we just wrapped up with a 6-inch Dominator system. This is one of our favorite systems out on the market for these trucks. The balance of on-road and off-road ride capability is incredible. This truck got all the options, has a radius arm conversion up front, torsion sway bar, and then in the rear it has the full pack as well as the 3-inch Dominator shocks. On this truck, you have about 25% more travel than the 3-inch systems, and what that translates to is a little bit better tuning all around. The larger shock diameter as well in the 3.0s really just translates to impressive capability between small bump sensitivity and large hit absorption. This is a truck that will soak up, freeway expansion joints just as well as it does massive hits off-road. Truly, this is a truck that's so capable you probably want to put a cage on it if you're going to be using it to its full potential. I think this customer is going to be really happy with the end result in this truck, and we're really happy with how it sits, especially on the 17-inch method wheels and the 37-inch Toyo MT tires. This is, an awesome setup all around that looks subtle but will perform and is absolutely aggressive. So email us or call and we will help you out. Thanks.